Now in this section, I'm going to explain you how to configure BGP filtering using a route map statements. Now when I say route maps are more specifically used to apply some attribute information to specific neighbors. Not only that, you can also use for filtering as well. Maybe you already have a policy applied onto this neighbor. At the same time, you want to deny some specific routes included in that route map. Now we can do that by using route maps also, but again, even if you use route maps, we need to still use ACL or prefix list for matching a specific networks, because when we use route maps, we don't really match with the route maps, but to match any specific networks, we need to use again access list and the prefix list. So I'll take one simple scenario for understanding how to configure the BGP route filtering using route maps. And the requirement is, I have a 20 dot network here. Router 2 is by default advertising to both of its neighbors, and then router 3 is advertising back to router 4, and router 4 is advertising back to router 1. Now my requirement is to ensure that router 1 should not receive that 20 dot network from any of the neighbors, or maybe any one neighbor. Now it's up to you as per the requirement. So that is something what I want to do, and this time I am not supposed to use either distribution list or prefix list statements. So we'll be using route map statements. Now for that, we need to configure an ACL first, which is going to deny those specific networks, or we can say permit inside that specific ACL, and then we can deny them in the route map. So let me show you how to configure that. So I'll need to go to router 2, and already I have all the eBGP, iBGP configuration. So by default, router 1 is receiving. If I give show IP BGP 20 dot network, you can see I'm able to receive 20 dot network from 4.4.4.1, which is router 4, and 1.1.1.2, which is router 2. Okay, so I want to filter that out. So the first thing, we need to create an access list, and then in that access list, either I can deny here itself. If you deny inside the ACL, you have to define permit inside the route map. And if I give permit here, you have to deny in the route map. So now there are two ways of configuring the things. Either I can deny in the ACL itself, or I can deny inside the route map. So you go with the second one. I'll permit in the ACL. Now when I say permit, it's going to match that specific network. Now, and then I'm going to create a route map with CCIE. I'm going to say deny 10, and then I'm going to say match the IP address, nothing but the ACL 20, which means the network whichever I define in the ACL, it's going to deny in the route map. Okay, so always remember, if you give permit here, we need to give deny here, which is the equal meaning of deny. If I give deny here, we should not use deny here, because when you say deny on both the sides, it becomes permit. Okay, so or you can give deny here or give permit here. So the end result will be deny here. So I'm going to say match IP address 20, and then I'm going to give route map, another route map statement, which is going to permit all the remaining networks. If you see the configuration here, I have just configured an access list which is going to match 20 dot network, and then that route map is going to deny that particular access list, the 20 dot network, and then it's going to permit all the remaining networks. Now I need to apply this on both the neighbors, because my requirement is for both the neighbors, or if your requirement is just one neighbor, then it's all up to the requirement. So I'm going with both the sites. My requirement is router 1 should not see that in the BGP table. So I need to say neighbor 1.1.1.2, which is router 2, and then I need to say route map, and then CCIE is the route map name, and then I need to say apply in. Okay, so which means any routes coming from this side, it's going to filter. It's going to see the route map, and that route map says deny any network whichever starts with 20 and permit all the remaining networks. Similar way, I want to apply from both the sides, so I need to say neighbor 4.4.4.1, and then I'm going to say route map CCIE in. So clear the BGP for verification. Now if I give show IP BGP 20 dot network, still I'm able to see. Let me clear one more time. Okay, now you can see if I give show IP BGP 20 dot network, the network is not present in the BGP table, and the reason for that is we applied filtering. So previously I was not able to see that because I have some combination of my previous labs. I have one more route map with the same name CCIE. so that was affecting. So I removed that. Now if you verify show route map, it is just matching the network and it is denying that particular network. And if I remove that for verification, what I can do is I can simply configure no neighbor. If I remove this on the router 4 and if I give clear IP BGP start soft, I removed only on one side towards the router 4. Now I should see the 20 dot network must be only coming from router 4. It's not coming from router 2 directly because we still have the filtering applied towards router 2. You can see here still I have that. So you might have some other configurations relating to my previous labs, but anyway it doesn't affect. Now this is something what we applied. So if I remove this configuration also, probably you'll see 20 dot network will be coming from both the sides. Now when you're using route map statements, it's more similar to the way we filter using ACL or prefix list, but you need to be a little bit more careful when you're using route maps because you may already have some route map statements and we might be combining this rule along with the other route map statements. So you may have some multiple conditions into that. So you need to be a little bit more careful when you're using route maps.